Cut order planning. Cut order planning (COP) is a powerful integrated tool to optimize fabric utilization, cutting room process, timing and manpower by allowing the operator to choose the appropriate, balanced decision as per the scenario of style, orders, fabric availability, and other specifications of the cutting room. The integration starts from fabric roll management, order management, marker management, and interface with auto spreaders, auto cutter, auto labellus, barcode system, and ERP system for error-free instructions and data management across departments. The costing module of COP finds out the optimized cost of cutting process before starting the production. Your passion and talent, mathematical knowledge, creativity, and experience are important to effective cut order planning. And your passion and talent for one of these factors will lead to developing that ability. What is a marker? The marker is placed on the material and provides guideline for cutting. Marker may be on fabric or held in computer data files. Marker width is equal to the minimum fabric width, and its length depends on the number of pattern sizes that will be drawn. What is a lay in fabric cutting? Lengths of fabric, several plies high, which have been spread on a cutting table ready for cutting, are referred to as lays. The fabric is subsequently cut in accordance with a cutting plan, which is usually designed to optimize material utilization. Concerns. The objective of cutting room activities, or the main objective of cutting room management, is to create the most efficient cutting order plan. To achieve it, you need to take care of the following points. The length of the marker is limited by the length of the cutting table. When creating markers, the length of the cutting table should be used as much as possible. The cutting lay height is limited by the blade height of the straight knife cutting machine. Maximum lay height and maximum lay length should be achieved with minimum number of marker plans. Ends of ply losses. Due to the fabric extensibility and the limitations of the fabric spreading machines, some allowance should be kept at the end of each lay during fabric spreading. The amount of this allowance is generally kept 2 centimeters in each side. As a result, for each lay of fabric, total 4 centimeters of fabric is kept extended, which is included in the fabric wastage list. Spreading, cutting, and numbering. Straight knife cutting machine. Automatic fabric cutting machine. Fabric spreading. Loading and starting spreading with an auto spreader. Panels numbering.
Let us see some examples. We'll see what's the most efficient cut order plans for these questions. Question number 1. Here it's size 10, 10 and a half, 11, 11 and a half, 12. The quantity 400, 900, 800, 250, and 250 altogether is 2600. Now this is the received order. Now we have to its limitation is lay height 200 plies and maximum lay length is 4 garments marked. What is the theoretical minimum number of lays? The first question. What is the marker plan? What is the cut plan? And how many duplicate marker are required for this order? Now this is the theoretical minimum number of lays. Yes, total order quantity divided by maximum number of pieces per lay. That means number of garments per lay. 2600 divided by 800. The answer is 3.25. 3.25. Theoretically, we need 3 plus 0.25 lays to be laid. Right? That is the minimum. So it's very important because of this is based on this. We are not going to plan this order with less than 4 lays. So here it says 4 garments mark. That's the limit. 4. When we are going to do most efficient cut order plan, we have to achieve maximum table length. Otherwise, it won't be a most efficient one. Even 3-piece marker, 2-piece marker, 1-piece marker, we can do this order. But those markers are not efficient like 4-piece marker. Marker plan is the most important one. Marker plan is the most important planning on cut order planning, because rest of planning, that means cut plan and the number of duplicate copies, depend on marker plan, and it will be impacted for the efficiency as well as the profitability of the institute. So we will consider how to create optimum marker plan. This is the workout. We have to work it out to prepare a good marker plan. The rest of things will depend on optimum marker plan. So when we are doing this, you should keep in your mind, you have to maximize your table length. In this question, your maximum table length is 4 garments marked. You can draw 4 pieces, that means 4 garments inside that drawing or that's marker plan. And you have to maximize the lay height. Lay height means how many plies you can lay. It's depend on the blade height of a straight knife cutting machine blade height, right? So it's 200. And at the same time, you have to achieve this within minimum number of marker plan. If you can do this order within one marker, you shouldn't go for another marker, second marker. If you can't achieve within one marker, you can go for second marker, not third marker. Likewise, that's the that's the requirement for most efficient marker plan, optimum marker. We'll consider first marker now. However, four garments you can mark. Here there are sizes: one, two, three, four, five sizes. That means within one marker you can't draw all these sizes because it will limited by four pieces. So, however, you have to go for second marker. So another marker. That means you would think first marker four pieces. That's the maximum efficiency. When you achieve maximum efficiency in the marker, there should be a four piece. And you think the second marker uh, is a one piece marker. That's wrong. The second marker also four piece marker. That's the most efficient marker plan. There should be a four, even one marker or two marker. You have to achieve maximum table length. So consider that also. So we'll uh, get first. What is first marker combination? First marker, right? First marker. When you get first marker, you have to consider these quantities, the relationship of these quantities. When you decide to get what are the sizes that you should include in the marker, these sizes give the idea to decide what are the sizes that you should select for this first marker. Here, what are the relationship between these quantities, right? You can clearly identify mathematical relationships, right? So 250 and 250 is equal quantity. So that's a good relationship. You have to concern that. And there's another one, 400 and 800. That's mean two time. Yeah, two time from the size 10, two time in 11, size 11. So that also you have to consider. So we'll start from here. Now you are going to draw one from this size 10. In the marker plan, you are going to draw one from this one. Another three you have to select from other sizes. So which are the, because of this relationship, you can get this also for this your marker. So you can draw uh, how many pieces? It's two garments you can draw because it's double 400 and 800. When you plan to finish this quantity by using this marker, at the same within the same marker you will complete 800 because of you have drawn two pieces there. Now uh, three pieces we have already decided. You can select another one. The four pieces should be there now because of the table length, maximum table length you are going to achieve. Oh, from which size you want to get from another? You get another size. Another you are going to draw another one from this one or this one or this one. That's you have to think. That creatively you have to think now, and mathematical relationships also, and you have to think about the next marker also. By considering that, you can select this one or this one or this one from to draw a size, this size or this size or this size. So if you get one from this size or this size, when you going to finish this 400 pieces, here also we'll have to finish complete. We have to cut another 400 pieces from this size, but here no 400 pieces, there are only 200 pieces, 250 pieces. So we shouldn't take one size from this. So this is not a deciding one. So we concern this one. If you draw a one from here, uh, for in when you are going to finish 400 pieces from this size also will cut 400 pieces. So there are more than 400 pieces. You try to get in this workout, you get one from this now. Okay, not from this size, not from this size, right? Okay, not from this size and not from this. So now we are going to plan to complete this quantity, this 400. This is the base. 400 pieces we have to you only one piece you have drawn in that marker. So total plies 400. You have to lay 400 plies to complete this one. When you draw 400 meters, what's the quantity you can cut using this marker? 400 into 1, that means 400 you can cut this using this mark. Here also 1, because of you have drawn 1, because of 400 plies you can cut 400 pieces. Here uh, you have drawn 2 pieces. So if you use 400 plies, 400 brick plies, you will get 800. 400 into 2, that means 800 you can cut. Because yeah, now that's all. That's all. Now you get the balance quantity. You get the balance. What's the balance? You have to reduce from the original quantity and this cut quantity according to the work out. Yeah, 400 had earlier. You cut using first mark of 400 pieces. Now no balance. The balance is 0. And here also balance. Now here there were 900. You cut 400 using first marker. Now there is still balance. It's 500. 900 reduced 400 is 500. Here there were 800. You cut 800. Now no balance. Right. From here had a 250 earlier. By using first marker, you didn't cut. So the balance 250 balance. Here also 250. Right? You can get the quantity, total quantity also. You can fill the 10,000. And now what you're going to do for this quantity you can use this marker, where this marker represents the different sizes. You decide uh, another marker. You have to create another marker for this quantity. Again, you have to look at these relationship of these quantities. What the relation? Clearly, you can identify this 1:1:2 ratio. 2:1:1. That's the second marker. This is the second marker. So now, how many plies you should lay? Total plies. How many plies? Well, how many plies? Now it's depend on this quantity, the balance quantity to be cut, right? And number of the ratio of this marker. Only 250 quantities here, and here also 250, 500. If you lay, you can go to, if you lay 250 plies, you can cut 250 from here, because 1 into 250 plies, 250. And 1 into 250 is 250 you can cut. And here you haven't drawn sizes from this size, so no, 0. And here 250 into 2, that means 500 you can cut using the second marker. Here no, 0, because no sizes here in the second marker. So this is the cut quantity. And what's the balance now? Balance here 0. Here earlier the quantity 500, the balance quantity. Out of that we cut 500. Now 0 balance. Here 0. Here it's 250, it's early now, and cut 250, now it's 0. Here he had 250, cut 250, the balance 0. 0 balance. Now this is the way that you should work out. Now this is the marker plan. Based on this realization, you can instruct marker makers to create like this. Now this is the marker plan. 1, 1, 2, 1 from 10, 1 and 1 from 10 and a half, and 2 from size 11. And second marker, 2 from size 11 to 10 and a half, 1 from 11 and a half, 1 from 2. These are the instructions that you should give to the marker makers. They have to do that. They have to create marker plans for that. Rest of cut plan and duplicate copies will depend. Later we will discuss that. For the first session, I stop here, and from the next video, I will discuss about the cut plan and duplicate copies. Thank you.